We all love having more than one income stream. In today's video, we're showing you a method that's going to ask you to just copy paste a link and pay you $500 immediately. You are not going to be selling anything, you won't be needing any skills or prior experience to be able to do this method, and you won't even need any social media following whatsoever. It's super easy and it's free too. You're not going to make any investments or any payments to do this. What's up everybody and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The website that we're going to be talking about today is called digistore24.com. Before going on the website yourself without finishing today's video, make sure that you think twice, because it's important to know that how and what to do things before trying to actually figure it out on your own. Anyway, it's best to know that as soon as you have an account, you are going to have to access their marketplace, and you're going to see all of the different products that they sell that you can promote and earn money from with just a few clicks. You're simply going to click on the promote button and get your affiliate link, share it to the whole World Wide Web, and when people come across the link that you've shared, click on it and buy products through that same link. You are going to earn a huge portion from that sale, and you won't even have to wait because they are going to pay you on time without any delay. You can actually do this strategy unlimitedly, which means you're also going to be earning unlimited money. Now, we're going to teach you how you can sign up on this website, and before you say anything else, don't worry, the registration process is 100% free. So on the home page, you're going to see this button right here, and you're going to want to click on that, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. And all you have to do is fill up all of that information up completely and correctly. And once you're all signed up, you can finally log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Marketplace on the top part of the page, and that is going to take you here. You're going to see all of the products that you can promote and earn a lot of commission from, and they are all high paying. For example, you'll see this Medicare affiliate right here, and as you can see, you can earn as much as $126. Now that's an 85% commission, which is just insane. Now you can even read more if you want to know more about the product, just to make sure that you're going to be promoting safe to use products. There's also more products than one that you can promote and make good money from as well, and you can just choose whatever you'd like. Now we're going to share our first bonus tip that's going to help you earn more money. So you're on the marketplace page right now, and what you want to do is click on this sort by right here and select sort by earnings/sale, and that's going to show the products with the highest commissions among the rest. In that way, it makes it easier for you to promote the right products that's going to help you make the most money. For example, we have this Serocare type 2 diabetes and blood sugar support, and it's going to pay you $156, which is a 75% commission, and that is huge. So imagine making 3 sales in a day of this product. That is an easy $468, almost $500. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So let's say you've chosen your link and what to promote, And now you want to go on to reddit.com. And you are going to find out in a second what this website is going to be doing for us. Now, for those who don't know, Reddit is a platform where users can post and discuss different types of topics, and even ask questions and post photos and videos of absolutely anything. Then you're going to want to click on the search bar and look up specific topics that you're looking for, or in our case, a specific audience to be able to promote what we plan on promoting. Since we are planning the Sarah Care one, weight loss is what we are looking up. As you can see, all of the search results are related to weight loss and health in general. Now you can scroll down some more to read some more posts, and then look for a post that maybe talks about how you can lose weight. As soon as you've found the post that fits perfectly with what we are choosing to promote, now what we want you to do is give them tips and tricks on how to lose weight with your affiliate link. And you can see on our screen the tips and tricks that we've listed down. Now the reason for this is just so that they have something to read through, and there is a slow build up, like a slow pace going towards your affiliate link. And as you can see here, we just list 4 or 5 tips and tricks that will show you how to lose weight. And then the last box is going to be your affiliate link. So that's basically a way to really get it done. And you can actually just copy the one we already have, because it's going to be much easier that way. You don't even have to create your own anymore. Just pause this video. I'll give you 5 seconds. And make sure that you type that down, or maybe took a screen picture of it or whatever like that. Now, it's free also, so go ahead and don't worry about that. With this, we're gonna get so much traffic and sales, because it is the perfect way to give out your link to the people and help you earn hundreds and hundreds more of dollars. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now, something to remember is that you are not limited to Reddit. You can go beyond. You can share your link in forums. You can share your link in Facebook groups. You can share your link to family and friends who may have diabetes or who are prone to these health problems. Find the people that you know that could be of use to your project, and that will benefit them as well. So a little recap before we wrap it up. First thing that you want to do is go to the website digistore24.com, explore the marketplace, sign up, find the product that you want to promote, get the affiliate link of that, and then go on to Reddit, find a forum.net, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever else that you can possibly think of to share that affiliate link. Get people to click on it and buy products from you, and literally earn unlimitedly and passively. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.